Plant FAQs. Deutzia Nikko. The delightful dwarf Nikko Deutzia, a springtime showstopper for any garden. For those seeking a compact shrub that explodes with white blooms in spring, look no further than the dwarf Deutzia Nikko. This little charmer has stolen a place in my heart and garden with its unassuming elegance and low-maintenance needs. Over the years, I've learned a lot about caring for this delightful plant, and I'm here to share my experience with you. A springtime spectacle. The star of the show, without a doubt, is the Nikko Deutzia's floral display. In late spring, a profusion of tiny, white, double blooms smothers the arching branches, transforming the shrub into a breathtaking cloud. The delicate flowers, each about 3/4 of an inch across, are borne in upright panicles, creating a truly mesmerizing effect. This floral extravaganza typically lasts for 10 to 14 days, leaving a lasting impression long after the petals fall. Compact and charming. Unlike its taller Deutzia cousins, the Nikko Deutzia is a true dwarf, reaching a mature height of only 1 to 2 feet. This makes it an ideal choice for smaller gardens, foundation plantings, or even container gardening. Its dense, rounded form creates a graceful mound that adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. Plus, the bright green foliage turns a stunning burgundy in fall, extending its ornamental value well beyond the spring bloom time. Can white dwarf Nikko Deutzia grow in pots? Absolutely. The Nikko Deutzia's compact size makes it perfectly suited for container gardening. Choose a pot that's slightly larger than the root ball and ensure it has drainage holes. Use a good quality potting mix and water regularly, especially during hot weather. With proper care, your Nikko Deutzia will thrive in a pot, gracing your patio or balcony with its beautiful blooms. How to care for dwarf Nikko Deutzia. The Nikko Deutzia is a remarkably low-maintenance shrub. It prefers full sun to light shade and thrives in average, well-drained soil. Water regularly, especially during the first year after planting, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. A light application of fertilizer in early spring can encourage new growth and even better flowering. When to prune dwarf Nikko Deutzia. While pruning isn't strictly necessary, you can lightly prune your Nikko Deutzia after flowering to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. Just be sure to wait until the flowers have faded completely. For more extensive pruning, wait until late winter before new growth begins. Is dwarf Nikko Deutzia deer-resistant? Good news for deer-plagued gardens. The Nikko Deutzia is generally considered deer-resistant. The foliage is not particularly palatable to deer, so they'll likely leave your precious shrub alone. Is dwarf Nikko Deutzia toxic to dogs? While not deadly, all parts of the Deutzia plant, including the Nikko Deutzia, are considered mildly toxic to dogs and cats if ingested. If you suspect your pet has eaten any part of the plant, monitor for signs of stomach upset, vomiting, or diarrhea. Contact your veterinarian immediately if you have any concerns. Where to buy Nikko Deutzia? Nikko Deutzia is a readily available plant at many local nurseries and garden centers. You can also find it online from reputable plant retailers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant green foliage and full, well-developed root systems. Beyond the basics, planting companions and propagation. The Nikko Deutzia pairs beautifully with a variety of spring-blooming companions. Consider planting it alongside colorful tulips, vibrant pansies, or delicate ferns for a truly stunning display. Propagating the Nikko Deutzia is relatively easy. You can take softwood cuttings in early summer or hardwood cuttings in late winter. With a little patience and care, you can create new Nikko Deutzia plants to share with friends or fill out your own garden. A final note. The dwarf Nikko Deutzia is a fantastic addition to any garden, offering a delightful combination of compact size, beautiful blooms, and easy care. With its minimal needs and stunning spring display, it's sure to become a favorite in your landscape. So why not give this little charmer a try and enjoy its beauty for years to come?